Hello, this is a small video about a little project I've been working on. Um, Currently, what I have is I have an LCD display. I have some little pennies that I put on here for push buttons because it's going off capacitive sensor. I'm going to show that it works. Now, it's not connected to the computer at all. It's connected to a power supply. Um, I'll go ahead and start. This is the original clock that I designed. All it does is turn on and start going. I can't change the time. I can't do anything with this at all. This is just the original, start of it. I don't know if you can see the screen of it very well or not. I know that sometimes it's too bright for this to pick up, but it's actually counting the time. I'll put it up here again. Now, I wrote this code and I've been working on this for a few days trying to figure out how to make this, work the way I want it to. And I have a lot of stuff in here that I don't need. It's for testing and trying to make this work. It's actually not very much code in this right now, about 400 lines. It's actually around 300 lines of code that I'm going to use. It's just some of it is temporary. I used it for testing, debugging things. I'll go ahead and load this, and then I'm going to show you that this works and it has push buttons and I can set the time. I can change to, you'll see that this thing's going to start programming in a minute. Oh, it's not connected. That's not going to help. So I'll better connect it over here. Now that's connected. So let's see if it gives an error or if it connects. It looks like I plugged it in just in time, so it's connecting and it's writing the data and it's successful. So now it looks like it's already started and it's plugged into the computer right now. I got some touch sensors, so this one is for setting the clock. So I press that and I said set time, and now I can press one of these and it'll give me a probably say I must select hour or minute. So I'll go ahead and select this one, which is set minute. So I'll go ahead and set the minute. One of these is up and one of them is down. So it looks like I've selected the up button. The time right now is 11:44. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to set this for 11:44 just so that it's working like that. And I'll go to the hour, which is that one right there. So it says to set timer hour, set time, and it's 11. So I have to go. It's 11 a.m. as well. So I have to go down. Oh, I went too far down. So I'll go up now. So now it's set for 11, but now my time's changed. So I'll change it back to minute, and I'll go up 1 minute. 11:45, and I'll go ahead and set time. And I press set time. There it goes. Set time. Time saved, and now it started counting. So now I can go to a military time as well, which is this button right here. These are just pennies, just so you know. So it's standard time right now. I can go to military time by pressing on that penny right here. Now it's military time. Oh, I must have it set for PM. Yeah, I was set for PM for some reason. So it's AM. So it's PM. So I can go. I'll go ahead and reset it. It's hard to do when I'm doing it like this, but I'll go ahead and reset it again by. I'll set my time, and I'll go back here to hour. Oh, I gotta set my time. Then I have to go to hour. There's hour. I go 11 a.m. Now press the button to start it. I have to save it, which is that one. Their time is saved, and now it's started again. I didn't change the minute to set it right, but it's 11:45. 11:45, and now it's a.m. And I'll go to military time again. Just show you the military time thing works. And so it's 11:45 a.m. Okay. And it's, oh, by the way, I just want to mention this. This is a $14 microcontroller. I'm using pennies as to push buttons because it's a capacitive sensors on the pins. I have a 16.2 LCD that I connected to this. I can control relays. I can write functional tests. I can troubleshoot electronics to a component level. This board wasn't meant to work with this ESP32. This is actually meant for an Arduino, but I wired it to make it work because I know what I'm doing. I went to college for electronics. I can't work anywhere and I can't do anything in the world until the Oklahoma Carter County Police start telling the truth about the police conspiring against my rights, faking multiple deaths. Dale Earnhardt Sr., my daughter, Harvey Burkhart faked his death. He's the former Carter County Sheriff, and he's the grandfather of my daughter. They're hiding her from me, so I'm going to repeat this just so you know how stupid the police look, the stupid Oklahoma and Texas police. The police are hiding the truth about my daughter being alive. The police have faked my daughter's death. The police faked my daughter's death in the year 2005, and the police have been torturing me to homelessness in their city. I can't do anything until the police tell the truth about the police conspiring with the citizens to fake multiple deaths and use this as a method to torture me so that the police could try to find a reason to arrest me. I have these shirts that I wear around everywhere I go. And I have a hat that I wear when I go out because the police really did fake my daughter's death. The police really have, stalked me, put me in jail. They put me in mental hospitals to shut me up because they don't want the general public to know that the police really did fake my daughter's death. They've been hiding the truth from me for over 21 years. The citizens laugh in my face, the police laugh in my face, and not one person in the entire world will tell me the truth. So here I sit waiting for someone to tell the truth so I can try to get a new house, a new car, have a life, go back to my family. I have a family waiting for me, but no one will tell the truth. So I haven't seen my new wife in about 1,040 days because the Carter County Police keep pretending like they'll tell the truth. And then all they try to do is come up and try to arrest me again. Hi, Trent. I wanted to show you my progress. I've been putting a clock inside a ESP32 controller. One of the main reasons I'm doing this is to show you that when I do make it back to you, I'm going to be able to take care of you. I realize it's been over 1,040 days since I've been able to spend time with you. That is not my fault. I'm doing everything that I possibly can. I miss you very much. Anyway, this is the boards I've been working on. I'm not using this one at the moment, this ESP32. This is the a display that I've connected to it, and these are pennies. And they're connected to a little wire, and they're using a capacitive sensor to be able to adjust buttons. So I'm going to show you how this works. All I have to do is turn it on. It's not connected to the computer whatsoever, although the code that you see on the screen, this is what I used and loaded onto this to make it work. Some of the code is not being used, but some of it is just for testing so that I could figure out what I was doing and how to make it work the way that I wanted it to. This is a clock. I programmed the clock to make the clock work. It's just a program. So what it's doing is it's adjusting it's writing code into this microcontroller and is configuring it to where it's a clock. I thought that was pretty neat. So I'll go ahead and start it. I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm doing here. So you can see the display. So you can see the display like that. And again, what I have is just a bunch of pennies here that I'm connecting to it. So the time right now is 12:07:18 a.m. You can see that. I can change it to what I call military time, which is 24-hour time, or I can go back to standard time. To set the time, I have to press this. Now, right now it's 12 o'clock a.m. If I want to, I can press these and it'll tell me I have to select the minute or the hour. So I'm going to select that one. That's the hour. I'm going to go ahead and change it. I can go up or down. I'm going to go up. So I'm in 1 a.m. area. And right now it is actually 1 p.m. here, so I'm just going to set it for 1 p.m. Gotta go back down. I went too far. 1 p.m. and it is 1:16 p.m. So now select minutes, and I can hold it down. This is 1:15, 1:15. Oh, it's 1:16, and now I press that clock again. I press that clock, and now it's done. 1:16. Actually, it's 1:17 now because I was off a little bit. So I'll go ahead and change it again. I was off just a little bit. 17. Go ahead and save it now. Oh, saved. Okay. 1:17. I can go back to the what I call military time, which is 13:17, or I can go back, and keep it at standard time. And this would make an alarm clock. What else this has inside of this is a Bluetooth. It has Wi-Fi. It can be a Wi-Fi hotspot. I can transmit, music to this. I could play a guitar through a Bluetooth transceiver. It would transmit into this and it would receive it. And I could have an amplifier on the output of this. It could be a little clock with a radio, or I could play my guitar through it, or my phone through it. Anyway, this is just going to be a short video. I just wanted to see my progress and where I'm at and what I'm doing. And I really am doing everything I possibly can to get to you. I do know electronics. This board was not meant to be working with this one. I mean, the LCD is, but this other board is not. I had to figure out how to wire it and make it work. Um, so anyway, I just want to let you know I'm going to take care of you when I make it back to you. I miss you so much. Anyway.